The Lexus LS400 wasn't just a new car, it was a statement. When it first rolled off the production line, it marked a significant shift in the automotive world. This wasn't merely another luxury sedan, it was a bold declaration that Lexus was here to redefine what luxury meant in the automotive industry. It announced the arrival of a new player in the luxury car market. The unveiling of the LS400 at auto shows around the world was met with awe and admiration. Car enthusiasts and industry experts alike were captivated by its sleek design, advanced features, and the promise of unparalleled quality. The LS quickly gained a reputation for its exceptional quality. Every detail, from the meticulously crafted exterior to the luxurious interior, spoke volumes about Lexus's dedication to excellence. The smooth ride and quiet cabin set new standards in the industry, making it a favorite among discerning drivers. It was also praised for its impressive performance and luxurious amenities. The LS400 wasn't just about looks, it delivered on performance too. With a powerful engine and state-of-the-art suspension system, it offered a driving experience that was both exhilarating and comfortable. Inside, the cabin was a sanctuary of luxury, with features designed to pamper and delight. The LS became the benchmark for Lexus. It set a high standard that all subsequent models would strive to meet. The success of the LS400 paved the way for Lexus to become a dominant force in the luxury car market, earning a reputation for reliability, innovation, and customer satisfaction. It exemplified the brand's commitment to craftsmanship and innovation. The attention to detail in the manufacturing process was evident in every aspect of the car. From the precision engineering to the high-quality materials used, the LS400 was a testament to Lexus's dedication to creating vehicles that were not only beautiful, but also built to last. Over the years, the LS has undergone numerous transformations. Each new model brought with it advancements in technology, design, and performance. The evolution of the LS is a story of continuous improvement and innovation, with each generation building on the success of its predecessor. Each generation has built upon the success of its predecessor. From the early models that established Lexus's reputation to the latest versions that push the boundaries of luxury and performance, the LS has always been at the forefront of automotive excellence. The current LS continues to impress. With its cutting-edge technology, sophisticated design, and powerful performance, it remains a leader in the luxury car market. The latest model is a perfect blend of tradition and innovation, offering everything that made the original LS great, along with the latest advancements in automotive technology. It features a bold design. The striking front grille and sleek lines give the LS a commanding presence on the road. The exterior design is both elegant and aggressive, reflecting the car's blend of luxury and performance. It has a luxurious interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that exudes opulence. The finest materials, including premium leather and wood trim, are used throughout. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, with multiple adjustments and heating and cooling options. And it's packed with advanced technology. The LS is equipped with the latest in automotive technology, from a state-of-the-art infotainment system to advanced driver assistance features. The dashboard is a marvel of modern design, with a large touchscreen display and intuitive controls. The LS remains a flagship model for Lexus. It represents the pinnacle of what the brand has to offer, combining luxury, performance, and technology in a way that few other cars can match. The LS is a symbol of Lexus's commitment to excellence and innovation. It embodies the brand's unwavering pursuit of perfection. Every aspect of the LS, from its design to its performance, reflects Lexus's dedication to creating the best possible driving experience. The LS is more than just a car, it's a statement of what Lexus stands for. The LS is offered with a range of powertrain options. Whether you prefer the power and performance of a traditional gasoline engine or the efficiency and environmental benefits of a hybrid, there's an LS model to suit your needs. Each powertrain option is designed to deliver the best possible performance and fuel efficiency. This includes a fuel-efficient hybrid powertrain. The hybrid model offers the perfect balance of power and efficiency, with a smooth and quiet ride that's perfect for both city driving and long road